Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today, Tata Motors shares fell by 5.7% to close at 976 per share. This was because brokerage firm UBS Securities retained its sell call on Tata Motors. It said that there is further downside risk due to fall in profit margin in the Jaguar Land Rover segment and within domestic passenger vehicle segment. Accordingly, UBS retained its price target of Rs 825 for Tata Motor stock, which is implying a downside potential of over 16% from today's closing price. As per UBS, the successful run of Jaguar Land Rover's premium models is temporarily ending. It noted that the order book has now touched pre-COVID levels and soon expects discounts for Range Rovers to rise. For the Jaguar Land Rover segment, the company had said that it is expecting to witness constrained production or restricted production in the second and third quarters due to annual plant shutdown and floods at a key aluminium supplier. So far, the strong sales of Jaguar Land Rover's premium models had boosted the average selling price for Tata Motors. Now, if the sales of Jaguar Land Rover falls due to the lower demand, the overall profitability of Tata Motors company itself will fall. Just yesterday, Tata Motors announced significant cut in car prices for various models as campaign called Festival of Cars. Some high-end models have discount of up to Rs 2.05 lakhs. As per its campaign, valid until October 31st, Tata Motors aims to make EVs more accessible and increase adoption in India. As an added incentive, customers will also receive 6 months of free charging at over 5,500 Tata power stations across India. By reducing the price of EVs, Tata Motors is reducing the gap between EVs and their petrol and diesel cars. Though Tata Motors and other automobile companies have been offering discounts to encourage purchases, the main reason for the discounts is the huge inventory already available with the dealers which needs to get sold so that they can then normalize the operations. So this could impact Tata Motors share price movement in the short term. As of now, out of the 35 analysts that have coverage on Tata Motors, 23 of them have a buy rating on the stock, 7 have a hold rating and 5 of them have a sell recommendation. As per analysts, it could consolidate for some time. Tata Motors shares have fallen below the 50 DMA and hence the short-term trend could be weak. The stock has fallen by 10% in just 1 week. The stock has gone up 30% so far in 2024, so overall it's a good performance but recent performance slightly weak. We need to see how the results of the July to September 2024 quarter will be, and these results are likely to be announced sometime in the end of October or November beginning. If you like this video, please click the like button, and according to you, which company is likely to give best returns in the next 5 years? A. Maruti Suzuki, B. Tata Motors, C. Mahindra Mahindra, and D. Hyundai Motors, because it will be listed very soon in the stock markets. If you like this video, please send this to all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.